Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we've started making Eid sweets and Eid preparations, and I'm so excited because this is my favorite season. It's where I get to make all the good stuff, where I get to try all the good stuff. So this one we're gonna start with this very traditional, very simple and easy traditional Moroccan ghribiya with this one features almonds and sesame seeds, and this one is also super easy to make, super cheap because it doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and it's also just it tastes amazing and it smells amazing. The house smelled amazing while making it, and I highly recommend trying it. So let's show you guys how to make it. So to make this sweet you need 150 grams of roasted almonds, 150 grams of roasted sesame seeds, 100 grams of powdered sugar, about 300 grams of flour, 100 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 45 grams of apricot jam, and 5 grams of baking powder. Our first step is to just pulse these until they turn into a powder. After we've turned our almond to a powder-like consistency, we're going to repeat the same thing with sesame. So now in a mixing bowl, we're going to use a Moroccan ghribiya. So and you have to work using your hands. So we're going to just take our butter, as well as the powdered sugar, and you have to mix them around until they turn into a paste-like consistency. And now we're adding in the eggs, and the jam, and we're going to mix that again all together. So this is what it should look like now, and we're going to start adding in the sesame as well as the almonds. And we're going to mix that all together. So after mixing it, this is what it should look like. Now we're just going to start adding in the flour. So we have to sift it first, and we might need more, we might need less. It depends on the consistency of the dough, which once again needs to be not too thick, but not too dense, but also not too runny. And at the same time, it also needs to be soft. And now we're just going to mix that around. So once our mixture starts to form a dough, we're going to just add in the baking powder and also sift it. So after we've shaped our dough, now we're just going to take a little bit and we're going to just form it into a ball. And make sure they're not too big. And also make sure that you preheat your oven before you start shaping your balls. We've preheated our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And also for the flour, we've used about 248 to 250 grams. So after we've formed it into a ball, we're just going to dust it in powdered sugar. And we're going to place it in the tray, and we're going to take this. It's a cookie cutter. I have no idea where to find it, but if you don't have it, you can just do this using a knife. You're just going to gently press it down. And you're going to take one almond and just insert it in the middle gently. To continue the same process until we've done this to all of our dough. After we filled the tray, we're going to bake it for 15 minutes because these type of sweets need to be baked for a maximum of 15 to 20 minutes. Even if it doesn't look cooked, just wait for it to cool down and then you will see the difference. So we're going to bake it for 15 minutes. So now we're going to bake it for 15 minutes, and we're going to bring the temperature down by 10 degrees. So we've preheated it to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we're baking it at 170. So we took it out of the oven and it smells amazing. The house smells amazing. So it's still very soft to the touch, and now we're just going to wait for it to completely cool down before we can do anything or even touch it. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, it smells amazing, and of course you can see the cracks. And the secret to getting the Ghriyba or ghribiya right is getting the cracks in it, because if it's not cracked, we don't call it a ghribiya. So let's try one. Let's try one, even though I already had one when it just came out of the oven. So it is very soft to bite into. but at the same time there is that crunchiness that you guys clearly heard. The flavors are amazing. You can taste the almonds and the sesame, and the powdered sugar from the outside that we've dusted brings about a little enhancement in flavor, so I highly recommend trying it. So this concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!